It's snowing. We're going out for milk and bread before the roads get bad. I hope I can make it out. I think I can get over that. You got some potatoes? All right, we did it. Man, that was a close one, but we made it. To Nudies.
Nudies.
Here we go. It's early today. It's a beautiful early morning in Pennsylvania. We're on our way to a train and toy show, but first we're going to try to go to breakfast at this place called Nudies. They close early, so we've got to go before the con. We made it to Nudies. Pumpkin cake French toast. All right, so nobody here is actually naked, but good coffee. It's been a while since we've had a breakfast like that. Pumpkin cake French toast, apple cinnamon pancakes. I think this is more of a dessert than a breakfast, but I like it. These are always so happy. This is really mostly a train show, but they do have some toys here too. Oh, we have found Captain Planet. Oh, I love Pizza Face. Oh, Jerry, you should have come. Could have had a wharf. Look at this wharf. Ferengi. All right, it's time for trains. Oh, here comes Thomas. It's supposed to snow again. We're gonna go get milk. Sounds like a plan, right? Got my Crocs. Aliens. Mia. Looks like the snow has turned into a sheet of ice.
Yeah.
It's pretty. Oh, Wally found something. Wally turned yellow. There's nothing here, Wally. There's nothing here, Wally. Mia's getting macaroni. Mia's getting little hot dogs. Look at all this snow. It's a good thing we went out for milk and bread. I saved us all. Maybe this is as good as that time I saved Thanksgiving, but I'm never gonna top the time I saved the galaxy. Oh, Mittens, you are so up on this sack. Jerry's got something for you. What's that? Oh, he's sniffing it. He's like, what is this thing? This is the face of why is this happening to me? What do you think, Mittens? He's tolerating it. Oh. Does he like it?
Okay, I guess we need to get a squirrel.
My big trains were made to run in the snow. I've never done that before, so I stuck one out there, just so I could say I did it. I had a garden railroad in California, but needless to say, we didn't get a lot of snow there. Mia is making fettuccine alfredo.
Yep.
How'd I do? Good?
Peanut butter cookies.
Oh, peanut butter cookies. I was close. What did I say? What? Oh, honey, that's good mushing. Let that peanut butter have it, Mia.
Here, you mush.
I'll mush. Good stirring I did. Should I put some eyeballs on these? We actually have one left. We made some pretty fun cookies for Christmas. This reminds me of like a McNugget buddy, but a cookie. It's a Stegosaurus. I'm especially proud of this one. Jazzing up the cookies a little bit. There's pieces over here. I'm putting jelly. So I like thumbprint cookies. There we go. So it's a peanut butter jelly thumbprint cookie. Yeah. Some of these look like they needed eyes. Mittens. Are you ready for bed? Bed. Mittens. Mittens. You understand, Mittens? Mittens. Bed.
Come on, Mittens. Time for bed.
Bed. Yes, bed. Getting an attitude tonight. Waddle your chunkies to your cat bed immediately. Good boy. Don't you lay down there, because that's not your bed. Oh, Mittens. Mittens. Bed.
Come on, Mittens. Bed.
What? He knows. Let's go. Yes, your chunkaroonies. Down those stairs. Treat. Good boy. Treat. Oh, watch my fingers. One more, don't tell me. Gentle, gentle. Good boy. Okay, good night. That's so Mittens. He is fixing the printer. Slowly putting Christmas stuff away down here. I did get these. Still haven't really opened anything. That is so raff. Maybe a little too raff. It took me a minute to realize that these are actually the toys and not the original movie art. It's crazy how good these are. Actually, here is the VHS. This is the original one. It's hard to tell them apart. And actually, I think these look better than they do in the, I don't know why they're so green here. I think the toys look more real and like they do in the movie than the movie suits do. I don't know how that's possible. 10-year-old me would have flipped over that. Alright, this vlog is actually kind of another experiment. I'm not going to notify subscribers this time and see if by any chance anyone else is able to find this channel outside of everyone that knows us from Power Rangers. Because right now those are the only people YouTube is showing, and they really don't care about lifestyle content. I guess if you found us organically, let me know. My hopes for this experiment are not high, but worth a shot, right? Snow's melting. It's Mr. Rabbit. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Good rabbit, good rabbit. He is making cream cheese soup. And noodles. Mia made beef stroganoff, and this recipe uses cream cheese. I thought it was pretty good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Good night.